Welcome to Basic C Programming. Episode 11, Recursion in C Programming. In this episode, we learn how to implement recursion and use recursive functions for various problems. Recursion is a technique where a function calls itself to solve a problem. It is important to include a base condition to prevent infinite recursion. A recursive function typically calls itself with simpler input and has a base case to stop recursion. Some functions may have more than one recursive call. In recursion, the base case stops further calls, and the recursive case continues calling the function with smaller input. For example, in factorial, the base case is when n equals 0. Recursion can simplify coding for problems like factorial or Fibonacci numbers, make code cleaner, and sometimes eliminate the need for explicit loops. Recursion can consume more memory because of repeated function calls. If the base case is missing or incorrect, it can cause a stack overflow. Iterative solutions may be more efficient in some cases. This diagram shows how a recursive function calls itself, reaches the base case, and returns values back to the original call. Here is an example of calculating factorial using a recursive function. When you run this program, it prints the factorial of the given number. This example calculates the factorial of a number using recursion. The function calls itself until the base case is reached. The output of example 1, factorial using recursion, is as follows. Factorial of 5 equals 120. This program prints the first 7 Fibonacci numbers using a recursive function. The output of example 2, Fibonacci series, is as follows. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. This example calculates the sum of the first 10 natural numbers recursively. The output of example 3, sum of natural numbers, is as follows. Sum of first 10 natural numbers equals 55. This program reverses a number using recursion by printing the last digit and calling the function with the remaining digits. The output of example 4, reverse a number, is as follows. Reversed number, 54,321. Here are 5 exercises for you to practice. Try writing these C programs by yourself to strengthen your understanding. Exercise 1. Calculate factorial of a number using recursion. Define a recursive function with a base case of n equals 0. Exercise 2. Print Fibonacci numbers up to n using recursion. Create a recursive function returning the nth Fibonacci number. Exercise 3. Calculate the sum of first n natural numbers recursively. Use recursion by adding the current number to the sum of previous numbers. Exercise 4. Reverse a number using recursion. Extract and print digits recursively until the number becomes 0. Exercise 5. Find the GCD of two numbers using recursion. Use the Euclidean algorithm recursively. Thank you for watching episode 11. Stay tuned for the next episode in this basic C programming series.